In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a new subtitle language on Udemy on desktop. If you found a great course, but the subtitles you need aren't available yet, this simple process lets you ask Udemy to consider adding them. It only takes a few minutes, and your request helps Udemy understand learner demand for specific languages. Start by opening udemy.com in your desktop browser and signing in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the same account you use to take courses, because support requests are tied to your profile, and that makes it easier for the team to follow up. If you have multiple accounts, confirm the one you're using is the one with the course in your library or on your wish list. Next, head to the Udemy Help Center by visiting support.udemy.com. You can open it in a new tab to keep your course page handy. The Help Center is where you'll submit your request, so it goes directly to the support team. If you're prompted to sign in again, go ahead and do that so the Contact Us option appears for you. On any Help Center page, look for the Contact Us button. You'll usually find it on the right side of the page or near the bottom. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little and ensure you're signed in, since the option is often only visible to logged-in users. When you click Contact Us, you'll be asked to choose a topic. Select something like Learning Experience or Subtitles Captions. In the description box, clearly explain what you're requesting. A helpful template is Request to add subtitles in language for course name. For clarity, you can add the course URL and mention why the subtitles would help you learn better, such as accessibility needs or improved comprehension. Keep your message polite, concise, and specific about the language you want. After you've filled in the details, submit the support ticket. You should see a confirmation on the page and may receive an email acknowledging your request. From here, wait for a reply from Udemy support. Response times can vary, and while subtitle additions aren't guaranteed, requests are reviewed and prioritized based on factors like demand and feasibility. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates, and consider checking your junk or spam folder just in case. If you receive a ticket number, save it for reference. That's it. By signing in, navigating to the Help Center, using Contact Us, choosing the right topic, and submitting a clear request, you've done everything needed to ask for a new subtitle language on Udemy. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your learning.